Now I am going to explain how to type question paper in Google Form. First, we have to set our Google desktop site. Then we can type Google Forms. Next, we can see here. First, Google Forms free online service that we can click. Next, you can click go to Google Forms. This is what you have to click. Here you can see personal. Later you can see here start a new form. You can click this plus symbol. Then you will get a paper where you have to submit all the questions. So see here my listeners, untitled form where here you can type here college name or school name. Yes, just you can click here where you can see here you can type for example, let me type Tejasvi High School. So Tejasvi, yes, so Tejasvi High School, like that it will be there. So next one is, so here you have to type question. So you have to ask the children their name. So that's why you type it your name first of all, your name. Then here you go for not multiple choice, short answer type question. It's better to give short answer type question. Then when they will see, then they will write the answer, short answer type question. So next you have to go for next question. So you can see here plus symbol. So here you have to click. Here you can see a plus symbol. Next you will get a question. Sorry, here, yes. So I forgot to tell you. So this is required question. After typing this name, here you have to click required. This is what very important. So next you have to go for second question. So here question will you can see question here. Just click here question, multiple choice question here. So you will see short question and fill in the blanks. See here paragraph question, short question. Just you go for multiple choice question. Here you can type one question. For example, I am typing I dash my mother. So here option, you can give option. So first answer is I love. Next add, here one more option if you want to give add. So loves. So next one is add option, you can click here LOVESS, loves. And last option is none. So now you get a doubt, so there is no answer. How can I click right answer? How do I know? That's you will get a doubt. So then you go for here settings, click settings. So where you will see quizzes. So after clicking quizzes, make this a quiz, this you have to click. So now go for save. Then you will find answer key here. So click answer key. Then the correct answer is, so here points 1 mark you can give. Then here correct answer. So add answer feedback. So add answer before you have to click. So love is correct answer. I clicked love. Then go for done, go for down. So now your question is recorded completely. So like that you can go for another question. Click plus symbol and one more question will be appeared. Then you have to type in the same manner every question. After typing all the questions, what you have to do, you have to go set time. How can we set time? So your three dots are there. I clicked three dots where you can see add-ons. So after add-ons, so you will see one page. You will see one page. Wait a second. Yes, here form limiter. This you have to click form limiter. So after clicking form limiter, install this. So install app. Then you can click. After clicking install form limiter. So this is for setting time. Remember that. This is only for setting time. Okay. Install, continue. So now I am going to set the time. Now then you have to give your email ID. I clicked my Nagaraju trainer email ID. This is for next your form limiter. You have to allow. Just click it allow. That's it. Nothing is there. just click it allow. So next one is, so wait a second. So here you can see form limiter has been installed, so you can click done. And finally here you can see form limiter. If you can't find this form limiter, it's very simple. If you can't find form limiter, you can go for here a new pop-up. You can see, one second, not like that. Yes, you can see here this is new button. You have to see form limiter, where you can click see form limiter. You have to click form limiter, then you will get one form. Here you have to set your time. Now I am going to set the time. Wait a second. So here select date and time. So we have to type here date, select date. So I am going to conduct 31st. Time, if you want you can mention time 9:20, 9:27 for example. Set the time. Now I set date and time, save and enable. Just I saved it. So this is only when we conduct exam. If you want to conduct online test, so you no need to give any time and date. Directly you can send this link, click send link. Of this total question paper is finished. So here you can see send via and email, and one link is there. Just you click link. So this link you can copy, and this link, see the link is copied. Then you can copy this link in Zoom chart. When the students joined, you will find here responses. You can see here, you will see students names. If you want to give any email ID also you can see. So this is the way we can prepare the question paper, and we can see the result. So here we can see the result individually also we can see. If you have any doubts, you can contact me, T Nagaraju 9948527345. Thank you.